This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable plates, specifically these faux slate plastic plates. They come in a variety of sizes, and they give you the look of slate with the convenience of being disposable. And we have some of them here. So there's a 5-inch round, perfect for apps, small salads, bread or rolls. The medium size 8 3/4 inch round. Our small rectangle, which is 7 by 3.5. And then our large rectangle, which is 16 by 7 for a really nice large piece. So these are great for adding a nice contemporary accent to your service with everything from the smaller plates to these larger serving pieces. They're designed with a nice realistic texture and color, so they look like pieces of slate. They're great for both presentation and service of appetizers and desserts, and just perfect for using at a variety of different events, whether it's a wedding or something more casual. These are going to fit in whether you're looking for a more rustic feel, all the way to something really high-end and elegant. So these are great for use by caterers or just your next party at home if you're looking to step up the presentation.